We have seen that a source of light makes the shadow of opaque objects. Likewise, the sun being a source of light casts shadows of opaque bodies like the earth and the moon in space. But we do not see these shadows because there is no screen behind them. However, when these shadows fall on each other, an interesting event called eclipses takes place. Eclipses have fascinated people for thousands of years. The ancient Chinese thought was that solar eclipses occurred when a dragon in the sky tried to swallow the sun. What is an eclipse? Eclipse is the darkening or dimming of one heavenly body by another. An eclipse takes place when the shadow of one heavenly body falls on another. An eclipse occurs anytime something passes in front of the sun, blocking its light. This can be the earth or the moon. The sun is a luminous body which is larger than the earth and the moon. The earth and the moon are non-luminous objects. The earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. Therefore, the position of the earth and the moon keeps changing with respect to each other and also with respect to the sun. Depending upon the relative position of the sun, earth and the moon, there are two types of eclipses, that is lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Let us try to understand why the moon goes dark when the earth casts a shadow on the moon. Lunar eclipse. The moon goes dark when the earth casts a shadow on the moon because the earth comes between the sun and the moon and casts a shadow on the moon on a full moon day. Below in the diagram, you can see the earth in the middle and the sunlight not passing to the moon. Hence, the shadow of the earth is fallen on the moon. The solar eclipse. When the moon casts a shadow on the earth, causing the sun to go dark. The moon comes between the sun and earth and casts a shadow on part of earth on a new moon day. Below in the diagram, you can see moon is in between the earth and the sun.